Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Basit and you are watching Royce TV. So viewers, I hope you all are fine. Viewers, today I want to share problem in Karachi. So viewers, basically there are many problems in Karachi, but the main problem I will be discussion. So viewers, the main problem in Karachi, the shortage water. Viewers, the people of Karachi gets the water. I am asking question our government of Pakistan and government of Sindh. Sir, why they do not filter the sea water? I am sure inshallah it will solve this matter. So viewers, we are requesting our government of Sindh, please solve this matter. And thank you so much. Viewers, please like and share this video.